Hey guys, it's Ivy and it's half a dollar General's any day deals and 24 days in Christmas is included. Guys, I want to show you these Rice Krispie treats because these are a big hit around Christmas time. If you need them, they are 2 for $8 or $4 each. You need to buy 2 at one time. Let's get right down here to the General Mills cereal because as we know, they are 4 for $8 and we do have a cash back of $1 off of 2. So once you pay out, they give you $1 back and then you'll take that off. 4 for $8. Let's do some of the math. $8, take that dollar off, leave you at $7 divided by 4. They are $1.75 per box. Now, scan all of the General Mills because some people had 2 $1 off cashbacks, 2 cashbacks, okay? Scan all of them. I only had 1. Now, the Eggo waffles are 2 for $5. Let's scan that. And when I scanned, I see that they're originally $3.50, and there they are, 2 for $5. So pick those up, guys. That is another big hit during the holiday. Now, we also going to the Hot Pockets. The Hot Pockets are 4 for $10 or $2.50 each. You must buy 4 in order to get the deal. So I'm going to get 2 breakfasts. And then I'm going to go to the Hot Pockets. That is 2 of the, I think those are the steakums. Okay, we're going to scan the Hot Pockets, guys. And we see that they are 4 for $10. Also these. So I'm going to grab 2 of the lunch Hot Pockets also. Mix it up a little bit. And then when you come right here, guys, the Totino's personal size pizzas are 4 for $8. So they're $2 a piece. Like great snacking deals. That's awesome, guys. So they are 4 for $8. They have a lot of instant offers. Now remember, you can do these offers on Saturday. You have to cover the difference. That is the only thing you have to do. You need to cover the difference. Now you see the El Monterey's, they are $1.50. That is for the single pack. Sometimes, guys, it's important to do your calculations because the ones that's 8 in the pack are $6. So I believe it's 8 in the pack or 10, and they are $6. So we're gonna do the math. 150 times 8 is $12. And then, yeah, see. So I'm gonna grab those because 6 in the pack for $8. Then the bacon down here is $5, $5.25. Then you have a $1 cash back times 5. You could buy those. The iced teas, this is a new one that they just put back in. They're at $2.50 for the large packs of the iced teas. I'm going to grab that. You guys know I have to do my shopping. Now, I was looking at the the refreshers are $8.95, but they're 2 for $12, which make them $6 a piece. I like it when they're 2 for $10, so I'll pass that deal up today. Now the Progresso soup is $2.65. It is on sale 3 for $6, but we also have some cash back or a coupon. We have a $1 cash back on 3. It expired on Tuesday, and so we'll end up paying $1.33 each. I like the loaded potatoes, guys. Taste those. Those are awesome, okay? And it's $1 cash back. Just make sure whichever one you pick up that you have $1 cash back. Now the mac and cheese are 4 for $4. These are the extra creamy and thick. They're 4 for $4, so $1 each. Now, guys, let's get to the 24 days of Christmas. Now they will be giving out something every day for the first 24 days of December. The first day it was cups. The second day it is this Christmas tree that's $38. It's 6 feet pre-lit. Now, I only see one at this time, but I think if you walk through the store, you might find them somewhere else. They're going for $19. Now, you're going to give me a 6-foot pre-lit tree for $19. That's awesome. That's a great deal right there. Now, I see only one for now. Another thing, I scanned these, and I believe they're 50% off some. So, they said that one was 50% off. Now, this one right here, that's the one for $28. and it is $20. So they took off, that should be about 25% off. So scan them, guys, because all of them have some percentages off, just not 50. Now, the lights are also half off, the ones for $5. You need that blue box. Those are the LED lights right there, the warming lights, they the Christmas lights. I'm looking for more boxes. So I only picked up one because this is all they had. But I do see a big cart right here, guys. You see that? But they didn't have the lights in there. But look what they had. They had Christmas trees. So if you want that, get it before Tuesday night is over. All right. And remember, you could have done this, I believe, early. I don't think these 24 days of Christmas early activated. That's what it is. So there's an all white one pre-lit right there. Now, this was also, that's the garland lights. I scanned those, and those were also $5. Okay, so one box is the ones for $5 is $2.50. More of the 24 days of Christmas. If you want to know what's coming on, you tap that 24 days. There's the lights for $2.50. That's the tree for 50% off, making it $19 right there. Then coming up the rest of the week, you're going to have the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls are 2 for $3, and I believe we have a coupon for that. I'll go back around and scan. And then you have the holiday tins. That's going to be $2.50. Also, the Pepsi and Mountain Dew is going to be $1.50. But remember, 3-day sale, we'll have 5 for $5. It'll be different ones. And the Giant Plus toys are $15. I just love all of them, guys. So here we're going to scan the Pillsbury right here. And let's tap that. And when we scan, we see that originally $3.65. They gave us a $1 coupon off too. And then they're going to be 2 for $3 tomorrow. So $3, take that $1 away. That leaves you at 2. So you're going to pay $1 for each one of those Pillsbury. Stock up, guys. Even if you don't have the coupon, they're $1.50. Now, this is another stock up. Preppers, canners, that's me. This is what you could do right here. The sugar is $2.75. The baking is included. Save $5 when you spend $15. All right, then you have the big one that's $3.25 on the granulated sugar. Now this is Clover Valley. This is their brand. $3.25, and you also have the save $5 when you spend $15. Okay, so this is what I picked up. I need the granulated sugar. I'm gonna pick 4 of those up, big ones, and then 1 small one. You could do this deal. I'm going to show you a number of deals you can do. So let's do the math on it. We're going to do $3.25 times 4 is 13 plus the $2.75 take us to $15.75. So we went over by 75 cents. Take your $5 off, leave you at $10.75. Divide that by 5, you'll be paying $2.15. The takeaway is this big giant one that was $3.25 for $2.15. Now, you also can do $3.25 times 5 is $16.25. Divide that by 5. You're going to be paying $2.25 for those. Then if you do the small ones, $2.75 times, I believe you have to do 6, $16.50. Take that 5 off, $11.50. Divide that. You're going to pay $1.91. So if you prefer the smaller sugars, that's fine. This is the deal I'm going to do. But now my mom does a lot of baking, and she gets the small ones. So I did grab 6 of the small ones for her, guys. Okay, right here. When you go into this, don't forget that you also have BOGO deals going on up in here. Buy one get one 50% off. If you want to know what's going on with that, you tap that. This starts Wednesday at after 7 p.m. because this is a part of the 3-day sale. Remember, they got tons of deals going on in here today, guys. So here's some dolls for $10. Now, they are spend $75, get 25% off. Hopefully this will glitch. Hopefully it'll glitch. And then starting Wednesday after 7 p.m., the dolls are buy one get one 50% off. So let's hope that that's what it'll be. All right. So both the dolls, you'll buy one, get one. You'll take that 5 off. You should take another $2.50 off of that, and it should have brought you down lower than that. So it should have brought you down to $5.25. Now the bugles are $1 each. Buy 2, get 1 free, my favorite. Then you also have the Glade garbage bags. That's 2 for $9. These are all 3-day sales, guys. Don't forget, because as of now, they are 2 for $10.50. Okay, you want to keep in mind that these are the deals, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share our coupon camp.